Going up.
There's San Jose, and we are here at the City Hall.
They modded them.
These got modernized. They used to have Innovation Delta buttons, but now they have Innovation Universal.
I miss the Innovation Delta. The indicator stayed the same though.
Yeah. Oh look, the call cancel button's original.
Oh yeah. Oh man. I miss those. Really do. One?
Yeah. Next we have two panels in here. You got a flow directory.
This is a nice cat. Why are the lights two different sizes? There's like no frame around the one on the left. It's interesting.
They coming up?
Yes. I thought you guys were coming. Oh, thank you.
Tired?
Actually, it was a good walk.
Yeah. I wonder how much we did.
You know, I can't keep track of my steps because I have to go and purchase the app now.
You have to purchase the app?
Uh-huh.
What app?
And now they're talking about my steps.
Really?
Apple iPhones have an app that's called Health. That's a free app.
How?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll
Yeah,
look
it's
at
got your
that.
steps on it. Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
It's good stuff,
Have
yeah.
a good evening.
See you later.
See you.
That's why I asked her, right?
Yeah.
What did you keep talking about?
Hopefully she can track it now.
Yeah. You guys take her easy.
Have a good day.
You too.
These are nice. Yeah, the light is weird.
Yeah, I don't know if I like that they're different sizes.
Let's get a view at the top.
Alright. I'm gonna end my video up here.
Okay.
These are nice, but I really miss the old buttons. And so it's kind of a disappointment. But nonetheless, it's a really nice cat, I know that. Yeah, this journey is crazy.
Your original Delta. And Innovation Fixtures.
Yeah. That was crazy.
Alright. We got the same one. Should I send it down? I kind of want a different car.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah. Go for it.
Perfect.
I'll call it up anyway, so we're guaranteed to get. I just called it up, so we'll get this guy. You can hear the EcoDiscs up there. These are KONE EcoSystem MRs. Here's this elevator. These are really tall. Like, insanely tall. Let's see, it's still locked. Yeah, alright. So down number one.
You had to reset, huh?
Yeah. He's probably got like 500 feet per minute.
It's not bad.
Got call cancel original.
First floor.
This fixtures. Not as nice as the originals.
Do you want to film the parking lot?
Sure.
Going up.
These are sleek.